Alright, so giving it another go on the RC truck, and I found another spot, but put some longer antennas on here, hopefully get a little bit off the ground for the air unit so I can go a little further, get better video. Chose a flat area here, not super far, but I'm a little bit higher up here on this part of the parking lot, and that should also help with reception. And then I've got the 1X2 on here in the back. You guys haven't seen this camera yet probably. This thing's been reviewed like crazy, but if you have any questions about it, let me know in the comments and I'll keep those in mind for the future video on this one. This is just going to be for some B-roll footage for this guy here. I guess third person view. See how that goes. Hopefully I don't wreck it. And we'll see how it does here at this new spot. Alright, let's go here. Can't go too fast because I got that 1X2 hanging on the back there, and it's going to be bouncing around like crazy. Not sure if this is a good idea or not. Got this whole parking lot to myself. No one here. Yeah, you can see the back of the truck kind of bouncing in the shadow there. Let me just turn around here a little bit. The video is totally fine. You guys have seen me at the school before. No one's here today. Sometimes there's some random people here for whatever reason. I don't know what they're doing, but not a single car. This thing is really bouncing up and down like crazy. I think it's because of the camera in the back. Yeah, I think I'm going to take that off. This is not making for a good video. I'm pretty sure that thing bouncing up and down like that is not going to look good in that video anyway. So I'm going to bring this back and then take that off. And then I'll be able to go a little faster as well. You can see I'm going a little bit uphill here. That should help with reception. Yeah, this is way too bouncy for the smooth road. All right. Yeah, that's a lot better. It's not bouncing up and down like crazy. Let's just drive along. Ooh, I don't want to go up there. Let's drive along the smooth road here. Oh, we're on the curb. Alright, the steering trims. Alright, steering needs to be trimmed a little bit. Yeah, I got much better video now than before. I think where I was before, I was actually going below the ground, and then of course when the video tries to go inside the ground, it ain't gonna work. Yep, it's still like 50 megabits. No problem. I'm pretty far now. Oh, now I'm getting a little bit worse video. It's around here. Let's see, it's about 3 megabits. Let me just turn around here and check if my... Oh, okay, so this building I think is in the way here. I think I'll be a little bit behind to the left of that building there. So let me go into the parking lot area here. This will give me a better line of sight. Let's go this way instead. Yep, now I'm right back to 50 megabits again. Yeah, it's 20 some megabits. Okay, so I'm gonna turn around here. I think I am getting below line of sight with the ground, and these, you know, the curb and stuff is getting in the way here. I kind of wonder how people get like miles away. They're saying that some people in the comments saying they're getting like several miles away. I'm like, I don't know about that. It seems kind of difficult to do. You know, this is like, you know, maybe 500-600 feet. It doesn't seem to be all that much better. Yeah, I'm like right there straight ahead. So I'm gonna make a right turn here. Let's go into the parking lot here instead. So I'm gonna try and stay away from the building because I think the building gets in the way. All right, so I still have 50 megabits. Yeah, I think that makes a difference. So I'm gonna go into this parking lot here. All right, now at 40 megabits, 35 megabits, 50 megabits again. I gotta just stay away from the building. Easy, Crossfire is having no problems at this range. Yeah, so I'm at the end of this parking lot here, and it's still like 20 megabits. This is the end of the parking lot here. Let's see if I can get up into this. I don't think I can climb up into the gravel area here. Let me see if there's a spot up here somewhere. Yeah, if I forget the ground or some building or something gets in the way, then yeah, the signal drops off pretty big. Crossfire doesn't have any problems with this at all. It's the video. It's all about the video. Oh, don't crash into the curb. Let's see what's over here. So I'm getting closer to me. I want to get to the sidewalk over there so I can get up. There's like a ramp or something I can get up here. Right here, yeah. So I should be able to get up this way. Yep. And get into the gravel. So, you know, you guys are like, oh, put a gimbal on this or something. Yeah, you know, there's a lot of things I could do, for sure. All right, let's go this way. And there's a lot of different ways you can do this setup here. I never claimed that this is the only way to do it. This is just the one that I discovered on my own, trying out stuff. I'm sure this has been done many times before. I'm sure I'm reinventing the wheel here, of course. Yeah, I'm still getting like 20, well, it's bounced between 25 and 50 megabits right now. And you can see the video is nice and clear still. And I'm up on these little gravel. Oh, getting too bumpy on those bushes there. Going on this like curb thing here is like really rough. Range is not a problem now. Now that I have better clear, I guess, line of sight, and I have better antennas on there now. They're kind of flopping around though. You can see the shadow of it. Huh. It's like I got my own rover, Martian rover. This perspective, it looks like I'm on an alien planet. All right, so yeah, bitrate's dropping here. It's like 39, 40-ish. I'm gonna turn around here. Let's see, can I go this way? I don't want to get stuck. Taking it slow here. And no problems with the video. I got some sort of a warning from the radio. Inactivity alarm, hold on. I guess I need to move the stick. Kind of weird. Alright, so this is probably towards the end of the range of the video. It's getting kind of blocky. It's lower bitrate, but it's kind of bouncing up and down quite a bit. Let's see if I can get around the parking lot here on the gravel. Can I make my way this way? Oh, let's go this way. I'm just trying to navigate around these bushes is kind of fun. Alright, so I'm at the very end of this parking lot. Let's see if I can make my way all the way around. 44 megabits. I mean, it's like 18, 34. Whoops. Okay, I can't go that way. I'm looking at the bitrate and I'm trying to drive and crash into that little plant. Alright. Uh-oh. Almost got stuck. Alright, let's go this way. Yeah, let's get away from those big ones. Okay, now we got a little more space here. Can I make my way into this sidewalk? Yes. Yes, okay. Alright, no problem. Oh, now I'm getting some blocky video. 11 megabits. Crossfire control still fine. This is pretty much the end of the range of the video. Very, very close to the end of the range of the video. Yeah, I'm afraid if I go down this way, probably not. Yeah, as you can see, it's very blocky. Oh, there's a car there. He's probably wondering, what the hell is this? He's probably, what the hell is that? Yeah, I think people come by here and they're kind of checking out school. So as they get closer to the building, the bitrate drops off huge. It's like one megabit there, but I can still make out an image. I'm gonna stay away from the building here. I'm gonna go down this sidewalk instead. So I think that building is blocking my line of sight. See where this goes. Hopefully there'll be a sidewalk ramp here at the end. Otherwise I'll be flying off the curb. I think that guy is heading in my direction. Wonder what he's up to. Don't see anything here. I just fly off the curb. Let's go. Let's go flying this way. Heading back. So yeah, that's about the extent of where I can go. And I'm on my way back.